Myself, Khoja Sarem Ahmed, and these two are my mates, which have we had the project name is the motion detector. We have made this motion detector help us to detect that what we are that they and nowadays that you know that the stealing is very common and the thieves came in the house and we don't know that how it detects. So we have put this detector to know about the housemates that the thief is coming in the house and we know and it will alarm. It has an alarm. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Gul Muhammad. This project is a motion detector. It detects any person which came into the house, and it also detects any shade. Because in this detector there is a sensor which detects any shade or any person or anything which come close to that thing.
My name is Furkan Meman, and now I will show you how it works. This sensor detects the person who is coming, and the buzzer sound makes a sound, and then we'll know that there is a